Hey guys, Brian from Spooky Laters here, Six Flags Fiesta Texas. I'm trying to scream as loud as I can. We've got music blasting. Here to get an update for the Kid Flash. But since we're here, it's 30 days away because today is the 9th of August and we have some Fright Fest stuff going up. Yep, we're here for a Kid Flash update and they got some signage and a little bit of stuff here. It's about that time. We're 30 days away from this, folks. I'm excited. Fright Fest, baby. We have arrived to the Kid Flash location. There's your update. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video. Just kidding, man. We'll get a little closer look. Like I said, it's a small track, but it looks like a fun track, and it's in a great location, man. I think this is a perfect spot for this. Yeah, but I'm not the official Kid Flash spokesperson. I believe they got some kid doing that now. They should have used my daughter, man. All right, so this is a little bit from this angle. We'll get a little closer right over there, but it's almost there, baby. Miss Kitty just keeps honking her horn at me or blowing her toot. We got some birds over here like, what's up, Spooky Laters? So there you go. That looks really nice. This thing's gonna be totally cool with LED lights, man. That's gotta be sweet. All right, I'm zoomed in 3 times here. That looks groovy. That looks fun. My daughter's gonna enjoy this one, I think. She seemed a little bit scared when we showed her and told her about it, but I think she'll love it. What's up? Any workers around? Yep, one right behind me. Alrighty, there you go. Check this out, man. Definitely interesting. This is going to be really fun, great for the families and kids. They definitely needed this because that Steamliner coaster, I could only do that so much with my daughter. I needed something new, so this is gonna really work out. Oh, there we go. Come on, clouds. Cover that sun up for a moment. Miss Kitty just keeps tooting away. Ooh, it's hot already. It's first thing in the morning here. All right, so hopefully this is a better look right here. Holy smokes. This is gonna be fun, man. All right, let me zoom in. All right, and we're gonna get our last look for today, and this is your update. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. All right, this is Brian from Spooky Laters signing out here from Six Flags Fiesta Texas. This is your Kid Flash update. If you don't like my update, go to Six Flags Fiesta Texas YouTube, and they have a little guy that's doing up close and personal updates. But yep, this is my version because that's what I do. All right, Fright Fest is coming, and we'll see you around the parks, and we'll see you soon. Until next time, thanks for watching. Damn, Savage Mister, you're that popular out here. They got a Savage Mister hat here at the store. Whew. Man, it's just shortly after 11 o'clock here. I'm actually here with my son. He's right there. And it's hot. All the things I do for you guys, man. Anyways, we're gonna go to Fiesta Bay Boardwalk over here. And hopefully this is part of our meal pass. I've heard conflicting stories, but we're gonna try Fatburgers if it's open and it's part of our thing. Well, look who's in the mirror, or the window. It's Pennywise. What's up, brother? How you doing? I bet you're a lot cooler in there than I am out here. All right, so check this out, man. I don't think I noticed this last time. Maybe I just didn't pay attention, but they have the new Boardwalk treasures, but they should call it terrors. It's a new store. It used to be a candy store. We're kind of sneak peeking here, maybe. Watch, check this out. The camera should pick some up. It's got a lot of Halloween stuff. That's where we saw Pennywise on the other end over there. Ooh, this is cool. But yeah, we're definitely going to try Fatburgers here. And so let's go see what's on the menu. Oh, Lordy, we're here inside Fatburgers. It's currently not open, but we're in the dining area. Check it out. I'm sweating, man. It's hot here in Texas, man. Woo! Man, Fright Fest around the corner. This is supposed to be a Kid Flash update, but we're here. We're going to take advantage of our meal pass today and have a quick bite. It says the last great hamburger stand. Shout out to 210 Lowdown and More. He just called me as I was trying to eat my Fatburger. He's a good cat. Make sure you check him out. But yeah, this is what these Fatburgers look like, and they are damn good. And the fries, yeah, baby. Zoop. It's a worker showdown. Check this out, man. That's funny. They don't look thrilled at all. My money's on her. That's right, baby. That's why my money's on you, baby. But it's like a kitty mode right now. Woo. 2 hours later, dun dun dun. We got 5th place. They really go fast in this, I believe. They're just testing it. Oh, they're just slow down. Yeehaw! There they go, supervisors in last. She's taking a hit for the team. Dun 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 dun.